Okay guys, got an 86 Camaro here with a 2.8 liter engine, and I put in a new air conditioning compressor and a new receiver dryer, and I pressure it up and it leaks. So we're going to see if we can figure out a way to find the leak. I know Freon's not the way letting it leak out. That stuff's $9 a can, and so I'm going to go with free compressed air and see if I can use that to locate the leak. Okay, so I need to air up the system, and how am I going to do that? Turns out this receiver dryer, that Schrader valve on it, doesn't fit inside a normal quick connect. So I rigged something here. This is the hose off of an old recharge system. Has a nice brass valve there. Usually they're plastic, and this is the pressure gauge, and there's a barb here that connects it, and so I've screwed it onto there. I use this somewhere else on a vacuum pump, so it's got this additional black hose, which you may not need. And then because there's air in the system, I put a water separator there. So I'm going to try and put, I don't know, 20 pounds in and air it up. But this is what you have to do, I think, to to do this. Okay, so I've aired it up to 25 pounds, and I've got soapy water here, and I'm just going to check connections, and also just to watch the gauge, see how fast it loses pressure. So I'm going to do that, turn the camera off, come back. Okay, it's been about 3 minutes and we're already down to 15 pounds. We've lost 10 pounds just in a few minutes. So I've got some soapy water. And here's the back of the air compressor. I don't know if you can see it right here. There you can kind of see it. Anyway, it's leaks right there. I can see it. See, this compressor was one size fits all. They said it fit an 86 Camaro, but where the hose connect at the back, it was a little different than the original. The original was flush to flush, and this is the same pipes flush, but to recesses in the back of the air compressor. So I'm going to have to try and rig something. I've been trying to rig something, and so I've ordered some 1/8-inch thick rubber washers that I think will do the trick. So anyway, that's where it's leaking. But before I was losing Freon, and to test that. So that's how you check for leaks.